Smart Photoshop tricks.
How layer masks work in Photoshop. Let's say we have two layers, day and night. We add a mask to the top layer. To do this, in the Layers palette, click on this icon. While the mask is white, we only see the top layer. Let's take a brush, select black color and paint the mask. Now we don't see the top layer, but all that lay beneath it becomes visible. Let's take the rectangular selection tool and select a part of the image. Choose white color and fill the selected area on the mask using Option Backspace. Where the mask is white, we see the top layer, and where it's black, the bottom one is visible. Now let's make it more complicated. Take the gradient tool and drag it across the entire frame. To view our mask, hold down the Option key and click on the mask. The lighter the mask is, the more you'll see of the layer, and the darker it gets, the more the bottom layer will peek through.